This is a brief tutorial to help you get started using Cullen Library's online resources for child development and education research. I will demonstrate how to do some quick searches in Sage Knowledge, a collection of subject encyclopedias, to begin your research. Additionally, I'll show you how to use Education Full Text to locate journal articles. I'll also explain how to find these resources on the library page of CougarWeb and how to log in to them from off campus. At the end, there will be a brief quiz covering the information presented. If you don't know very much about your topic, one way to begin research is to use a subject encyclopedia to get some background information. There is a database called Sage Knowledge that is linked here on your research guide, and it's a collection of handbooks and encyclopedias in the social sciences, including education. Scroll down to Sage Reference and Academic Books and click. Here I'll enter my search terms. My example is going to be year-round school. And I will hit the magnifying glass. I put those words in quotes to limit the search result to that specific term and not every instance where those individual words will appear in an article. Here are our search results. To see the relevant entries, look at the top search hits and click the title of the entry beneath. This encyclopedia entry should discuss the main issues surrounding the topic and provide a nice introduction. The entries in Sage Knowledge are brief, factual, to the point, and easy to understand. These are different from general interest encyclopedias like World Book or Wikipedia because they are focused on a particular area of study. Encyclopedia of Educational Leadership and Administration is an example of an educational encyclopedia that you'll find in this database. The author's name are included here so you can easily cite them for a college assignment. You can download a PDF copy as well as create a citation for the article using the links over here. Here is for a citation, and scroll down just a little bit more to download the PDF. At the end of each article, there's a list of further readings or references that provide additional sources. Let's scroll to the bottom, further readings and references. Some of them will have links, and you can then read the resources that were consulted to write this entry. When you're just beginning your research, subject encyclopedias and handbooks are a good first step for reliable college-level information. They provide you with background facts and the terminology you'll need for your searches. Another way to find information about your topic is to use journal articles. One article database is called Education Full Text. It contains content from scholarly research journals and professional practice magazines in education and child development. I will use the same example and search for year-round school in quotation marks. You can disregard the autofill suggestions if you want and just hit the magnifying glass to search. So your search results will be a list of articles that are related to your topic. Keep in mind that a database search will help you find articles, but you can't just print off the first article or two at the top of the list and expect them to have all the information you need. An important part of college-level research is choosing the best sources to support your writing. One way to focus your search on the most relevant articles is to read the abstract. To see the abstract for an article in this database, you would click on the title of the article, and then here in the record is an abstract, which is a summary of the article. If you think that that sounds useful, then you can go ahead and click Access Now PDF. And then you can read the full article. Let's look at this third article. Click on the title, and the abstract is here, and we can see it is based on a study that examined the impact of a year-round calendar on teachers. So that would be relevant if you were writing about year-round school and what the teachers who have been involved in it had to say about it. That may or may not be relevant to your research, so that's why the abstract is so helpful. Along with the abstract, you also have necessary citation details, such as the title of the article, the journal or magazine where it was published, and the issue and volume and date that it was published. If you want to read, save, or print a copy of the complete article, then you have some options here. Download, citations. You can select your citation style here. You can also download it from here, and you can also select the full text options to read the whole article from here. Either you can get a PDF or online full text. And then you also still have these options. They've just moved over a little bit for citations, downloading, printing. If you would like to see other library resources that are beyond what's on your research guide, you can log into CougarWeb and go to the library widget and go to Find Books, Articles, and More. From here, you can click Search Individual Databases for a complete alphabetical list of everything the library subscribes to online, including Sage Knowledge and Education Full Text. You can also access these databases from the research guide, like shown before. In addition to Sage Knowledge and Education Full Text, the library also provides other resources for education and child development research, such as Educator's Reference Complete and ERIC, which are listed here. They're grouped together under Education and Professional Development databases. Whenever you're off campus and click the link to Education Full Text or Sage Knowledge, you'll be prompted to log in to OneLogin with your CougarWeb credentials. To begin the quiz, go to the link listed under the video or on your research guide. Good luck!